These are going to be the parking elevators here at the Endless Summer Resort. At Universal Orlando. Like I said, these are the parking ones. I'll let them go. Alright. We're gonna get this one. Here it is. Basic stainless steel tin cabs. Actually, it feels pretty solid considering this is an Ecodisc 3. This doesn't though. Let's call it. Basic cab. 1. Yeah, these ones do not sound good. I mean, they're by no means the worst either, but like... But yeah, I'm just gonna end here. These are just kind of meh, I guess. Anyway, well, that's it.